Hello and welcome to Sit Down Saturday, where we answer your questions. Durva Mahale asks, could you please make a video giving tips on a good strategy for 100 breaststroke? So the hundreds are basically a sprint. I used to reserve some energy for the second 50 of 100, and my competitors would swim faster than me in the first 50, and I wouldn't be able to catch them in the second 50. That's when my coach said, you can't save yourself in 100. It's basically a sprint, the whole race. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to go all out on the first 50, but you need to find that spot where it's almost 97% of your speed, 95% on the first 50, and then hold that throughout the whole 100. So if you want to train for 100, try this first on a swim meet that is not the most important swim meet of the year. You need to go all out and feel the pain of that last 25. And that pain is what you need to bring to practice and search for it as often as you can. So next time that you race, you're used to it, you've practiced it, you've gotten better at handling the pain, and that's how you improve.